As a result of power fluctuation, we're having some basic technical challenges, and the sound and from TV, visuals, everything, technician Guswa, the amount to get the best of quality as usual. Said the EZRA with my comedy and the Reverend Kofi Asante, and then I'll play together with Sir Michael Ujama. We are ready to serve you. And panel translating Kobo, we interrogate all the issues, but issues on board. I do komo BC Nkwala, and of course teacher nia watch here many ampa kwala bonus many crom for and fire outages outdoor, and another play of course will doom everywhere Dumsor. So Mike, things are not changing.
Oh no.
And your man sir
say easy no.
Mo fe ECG ben mame na mo misa no dia be na ekoso bi sasa yo
da bi the assassin
I thought the month ben mame the assassin
you say bia onamadum a bo say ase musie na yemmo
yes say musie bibia
aba hit no aba mo pa
aba
hit aba pa,
and you are not seeing any difference. Everything nyama basa I mean you're worried say so see yamro is it from ahomachi nyina o adum off and obi agenda so and what is that? John Dramani Mahama is being synonymous with Dumsor, and we being coming country John Mahama say one ya
Kofi no
Kofi no ade pa bien why ya be kai agise Dumsor say then why is it that I mean, if you are said everywhere John Mahama from first time I will buy you were associated with Dumsor. Now you are back, you are also being tagged with Dumsor. Just every time John Dramani Mahama is in session, Dumsor. I mean, and you see, one thing in so I'm a person, my ma ubi ati say. Now, point is, make I the last was in November.
Okay.
And I jina proba if you ha near any din kobo.
No. It was December.
Jina
proba ha no.
Yes.
Na 2 or 3 days
to election.
To general election.
And I jina proba na oba
3 days to general election.
Then jina proba came and you took over the power.
Yeah.
And this is what we are seeing.
So almost say your munche mama de man there.
That is what no. Mayday John Dramani Mahama be catch and say akosombu.
Yes.
Nyame adom ya solve.
Omuguso.
Your mama ya solve akosombu ewi na de.
Omuguso.
I mean, look
almost
into my face. Your mama should look in my face and tell me akosombu is okay. What next? There is an underlying problem. When Nana be dan kwakofo ado buy yeah no okaso then you told him say I think that it's all the same as Dumsor.
Papa now we can Dumsor once.
Yes, and I Dumsor.
And I ECG for I said, Dum na me usafa, Dum na kra.
Was there about 4 phases, 3 phases were off.
Yes.
1 phase that are on.
And I was like, imagine I can.
Ya jo carry any na. Ya jo wa there.
Hey, Mahama.
So
Mahama is the hope. He's the hope. He's the hope. He's the hope for our Dumsor. He's the hope for our Dumsor. But I don't guess here. Sure.
Because you can't plan for now in Ghana. No, you can't plan. You can't plan. And consistently. Somebody should tell me that either is cat and I say a lack of planning.
Almost in Fidian and why I'm I had that.
You can
Then I am pa say about you see so all be
think I went through
so the movie brino.
Think I went through think I went through and yet anyway
no funny Pararoma when you are penny PB John try supposed to be.
Yes.
Na ofa me chana no pay. Me say no ho ye. Ni post no fa ba bi me na ya adwene. Fa bi so na nya adwene. O say empanimfo ne ahemfo ne politicians a omo visit BC for no e mo exam centers no onu say nhwe ni mu enye wrong na papa dia baba me na nya adwene eye se me fa ne se wo hui
yeah mama me saw with the BC visuals I think I saw Haruna Idrusua or call one of the BC in Kwalana class na Kwalana Trono munyina sorry
yes
everything is wrong about that
papa me say ebi ha
do distract us
papa nya botre na me say ebi ha people enta sama ka ebi ha ye ebi wo so a me na nya adwene dia me na eye adwene se exam center ho de se Kwalana etwere a uwura mu abede distract wo
yeah
na mum se ko ni nya nche pepa no na omo outside assembly na ye bia wonya regional minister ana wonya MPB na oni Kwalana ko din ko outside.
There's nothing wrong with
There's nothing wrong about that.
I don't see anything wrong. But we move over
classroom what they are. I don't know in the way no about the Soda. Yes. And now we say last week me can say master to motor. Me no monya adwene. We say I dey atema control exams and about my set. It is a minimum set need be from day one. And you be use one ra. Say they see you soon one.
And what will be the tradition? Ghanaian sorry ni nyina.
And
Toma home.
Oh okay. Na ya omo omo ko school mo ta atoma omo de.
Oh say Kwalana we need to be at there so no oba.
Me who say. En ka de me fa say kan nya kodu form 3 no an.
Ni atama.
Na ka ataman.
Obekwa ni abompaya.
Nti ebekwa ni abompaya man na. O hu ni yusu. Na odu form 3 no. Wan to man na de be cha man ko yusu bi ba na yusu. But that say. But say omo visit omo exam center ho na enya. Say omo assembly no omo visit omo de. Regional minister ko Mampong.
Yeah.
So fantastic.
Okay.
Okay. Kwalana ni agye say when you minister mu kwaye dey aso.
Okay.
I don't have motivation kese part man Kwalana say at least
also be
that minister from Mampong what na here there's a minister from Mampong no what me atra Mampong ko to be so Mampong at me pass it am be regional minister me so Mampong ni ababa wa branch me to be regional minister ni be me ho
okay so mama yenya bro ojama otro BC ya ben say Mike etro BC
papa me we have to so
o de
me de banner to so
me enka o de ojama otro de la ben ojama otro bi ya ben 2021 ana
no 2014
Mike 2014
BC na 2014
2014
let's say
2014
14 14
12 years ni
that's what sir about
2014
now what 2014
one count there
I 201
na come
2014
2014
what should BC 2014
12 years
very crum
we try no KTI
okay uko BC when J
Presby yenya so
oh okay yenya so Presby hey
Presby
I know that when you Presby when you met but when you crew from by one no crew from for crew from there when you typical crew from
also over do ha nantesa me do ha
every day it's not that make them feel crew from go do for me and we don't know
how they so yeah
so this is you feel
so the way dey What's of course
now yes we see in the attach or no be other
now what's crew from what there osero
now me say now yes we see in the
but some go be wia but come on do free order and then I had to catch them me no me come out say crew from there so no jama crew from
na ya baba ware na so be free o
even eno kra no obetsa no ma say say ya o say dey kakra o stress kakra o
and only the goma ko akiri
oh yes
say Mike obetimi di nipa akoto ampo
o jama de na yo do crew from a on person be free
oh higher kwan
so nobody anapai so mo kojo
bate
kojo krasini pa
okay
onya guy krasi for be kuma onya guy
I'm so a guy
onya guy
oh sir
so bro ko oh baba tunda
sir
onya guy
na do the guy
say are pa
do say are guy
onya guy na do the guy pa koko pressure infection bi an wanya awo ho ya dey e dey ama menstrual disorders mema mutu mo dimo mpemu no